Welcome to this exquisite, custom-built Craftsman home. It's situated on nearly half an acre, overlooking Rickreall Creek and offering rare ownership of the creek frontage. A wonderfully peaceful setting, yet it's close to schools, shopping, and parks. This home was built by the owner of award-winning Boylan Homes as his personal residence. A covered front porch invites you inside. You'll discover a masterfully crafted interior with 10-foot ceilings, a gas fireplace with reclaimed wood and a quartz hearth, hand-troweled walls, and an open great room floor plan. The Gourmet kitchen features granite counters, high-end appliances, a 5-burner gas range, subway tile, a farmhouse sink, and a large pantry. Enjoy the main-level master suite with a walk-in closet and a spa-like master bath with double sinks, a large shower, and a soaking tub. You'll find a second bedroom on this main level and a gorgeous office has beautiful woodwork and built-ins. On the upper level, a spacious loft area offers flex space, ready for any number of uses. The huge bonus room with closets could easily be used as an additional bedroom. And on this upper level, you'll find 2 more bedrooms. Entertain on the covered patio with surround sound. Or just listen to the tranquil creek as you tend to your raised garden beds, or enjoy family fun in the expansive yard. You'll also find a custom-made shed or separate garage, a 60-foot RV pad, and a direct path to the creek. An additional lot of more than a quarter acre is negotiable. The oversized garage could easily fit a boat or possibly a 3rd vehicle. An exceptional home in a gorgeous private setting. You'll find it all here ready for you to call home. This is just a preview. There's so much more for you to see. To schedule your own personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582 or email steve@nassarteam.com. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.